Question number 1. Which function in Matplotlib can be used to customize the size of points in a scatter plot? Bravo! Splitscatter is the answer. Question number 2. What is the default file format when saving a plot using Pult? Savefig in Matplotlib. You chose, and it is correct. Question number 3. Which one is the correct syntax to import the library for the data visualization? Well picked. Import Matplotlib. Pyplot as plut is the correct answer. Question number 4. Awk mean square error and R2 score are available in which Python library? Right choice. Scikit-learn is the best answer. Question number 5. To plot multiple plots in Matplotlib, we can use which function in Matplotlib? Perfect. Subplot is the correct choice. Question number 6. What is the purpose of the plt? Tight dash layout function in Matplotlib. Excellent choice. To adjust the spacing between subplots is the right answer. Question number 7. Which is the correct import statement to import the Matplotlib module? Valid point. Import Matplotlib is true. Question number 8. Pyplot interface of Matplotlib library is used to create dash charts. Correct. 2D is the right answer. Question number 9. What is the primary library used for data visualization in Python? Sharp thinking. Matplotlib is the right choice. Question number 10. What is the name of the library we use for numerical calculations? Smart pick. NumPy is the correct choice. Question number 11. Which function is used to create a basic line plot in Matplotlib? Excellent. Plot is a brilliant choice. Question number 12. Which function is used to display a plot created with Matplotlib? Smart move. PutShow is an accurate answer. Question number 13. What function is used to create a linear schedule in Matplotlib? You're right. Plot is the correct answer. Question number 14. Which function of Matplotlib can be used to create a line chart? Well done. Plot is the right choice. Question number 15. Matplotlib is a dash library for the Python programming language. Correct response. Plotting is the most accurate answer. Question number 16. What is the name of the library we use to work with table data? Strong choice. Pandas is the right answer.
Question number 17. Which function is used to save a figure in Matplotlib?
Nice work. You chose fig, savefig, and it is correct. Question number 18. Name 3 types of plots that can be created using Matplotlib. Right again. 1-line plot 2, scatter plot 3. Bar plot is a valid answer. Question number 19. What is the name of the library we use for 2D and 3D graphics? Exactly. Matplotlib makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 20. Which library is the most used visualization library in Python? Solid response. Matplotlib is a valid choice. Question number 21. What does the plot legend function do in a Matplotlib plot? Good thinking. It adds a legend to the plot is the right answer. Question number 22. In Matplotlib, which function is used to display a histogram? Nice selection. Plit. Hist is the correct and valid answer. Question number 23. How do you set a title for the axis using Matplotlib library? Good job, your answer Ax. Set dash title works well here.
Question number 24. How can you create subplots in a single figure in Matplotlib?
Great thinking. Subplots is the right choice. Question number 25. How can you change the color of a line in a Matplotlib plot? On track. By using the color parameter in plot. Plot is the correct answer. Question number 26. What is the purpose of the subplot function in Matplotlib? Well reasoned. To create multiple plots in the same figure is the correct choice.
Question number 27. How do I make a histogram plot of data in Pandas data frame?
You got it. Your choice by using the hist function is right. Question number 28. Which command is used to display the plot in Matplotlib? Clear logic. Your choice plot. Show is sound and 100% true. Question number 29. How can you save a plot as an image file in Matplotlib? Nicely done. Plut. Savefig is a solid answer.
Question number 30. Which function is used to show the graph in Matplotlib?
Great job. Show is the accurate answer.
Question number 31. How can you save a Matplotlib plot as an image file?
Great thinking. Using the savefig method is the right choice. Question number 32. Which is the correct command to install Matplotlib? Strong choice. Pip install Matplotlib is the right answer. Question number 33. What function is used to display a Matplotlib plot? You got it. Your choice plot. Show is right. Question number 34. What is the function of plate? Legend in Matplotlib.
Great job. Add a legend to the current axis is the accurate answer.
Question number 35. How can you set the title of a plot in Matplotlib?
Smart move. Plot. Title is an accurate answer. Question number 36. In Matplotlib, how do you set the title of a plot?
Nice selection. Plete. Title is the correct and valid answer. Question number 37. Which is not an accepted line style in Matplotlib? Exactly. It makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 38. Which module in Python is used to plot the graph?
Sharp thinking. Matplotlib is the right choice. Question number 39. Which library we import if we want to draw chart? Perfect. Matplotlib is the correct choice. Question number 40. Which one is not an approach to use Matplotlib? Good thinking. Step-by-step style is the right answer. Question number 41. Data series and data frames are built on top of. Excellent choice. NumPy is the right answer. Question number 42. What is the default color for Matplotlib plots? You're right. Blue is the correct answer. Question number 43. What is meant by scatter plot in Matplotlib? Good job. Your answer plot with data points works well here.
Question number 44. What is the role of plot? Title in Matplotlib.
Right choice. To set the title of the plot is the best answer. Question number 45. How can you add a title to a Matplotlib plot? On track.
by using the title function is the correct answer.
Question number 46. How can you create a pie chart in Matplotlib?
Nice work. You chose by using the pie function, and it is correct.
Question number 47. How do you create a line plot in Matplotlib?
Right again. Plot. Plot is a valid answer.
Question number 48. Which one is not a main step in Matplotlib?
Valid point. Process is true.
Question number 49. How can you install Matplotlib using pip?
Correct response. Pip install Matplotlib is the most accurate answer.
Question number 50. What is meant by legend in Matplotlib?
You chose the label explains the plot elements, and it is correct. Question number 51. What is Matplotlib primarily used for?
Well done. Data visualization is the right choice.
Question number 52. What is Matplotlib? Nicely done. A plotting library for Python is a solid answer. Question number 53. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Correct. Contact Narayan Changda is the right answer.